Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I show you all different majority of beaded jewelry that I make or somebody has asked me to make. And what I do, I just do tutorials of it, step-by-step tutorials. I find all the supplies that you would need to make the item and I link them all in the description box as well. So today we're gonna make this cute little bracelet. So interesting. It has like the usual daisies, like if you have watched any of my videos before, but then I put this like a wave in there with some green beads. It's very interesting, and let's get into it. So the things that I'm going to use are different color Miyuki size 11/0 beads. You don't need to use the same color beads, you can use any colors as you wish. I just want to wear this bracelet and put it on my shop actually as well, so I chose these colors. Then I have a pair of scissors, 2 pliers, and then I have some fishing line as well on the sizes 0.32 millimeter, a mat, and then some closures. And these ones are very basic ones, just like silver plated. So first thing, I'm going to take some fishing line and I'm going to take about 80 centimeters and just double it down, and then I'm going to take another just 40 centimeter long fishing line. So I have one string that is 40 and then one string that is 80, and the 80 centimeter one I have just doubled down. So I take the 80 centimeter fishing line, just double it down, take one of the crimp end and just put the fishing line on it, and then I take the other end of the fishing line, the 40 centimeter, and put it inside like so, and just like make like a little loop like so, push down the sides, but don't do it like completely down, leave it a little bit like this. And now we're gonna pull the shorter end here, just so it wraps around the closure like this. And now you can push it down to the very end. And now I can cut this short bit off. So basically what we did, we just put 3 ends of the fishing line like this, and all the wrapping here was just to secure it so it doesn't come out easily. So now we can start beading, but for now we're only going to work with 2 ends of the fishing line, and we're going to make the daisies. I'm going to take one bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down. And then I take 2 beads on one end of the fishing line and 2 beads on the other end of the fishing line. Like so. And then I take one golden bead, which is going to be the middle bead for the daisy, and pull both ends of the fishing line through. Like so. And now I take these two ends and I fold them over. And now I take one end of the fishing line, put through 2 beads on one side, and put another end of the fishing line through the other 2 beads on the other side. Like so, and just pull them. Then I take another bead and I put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Just drag it down. And this is our first daisy done. And now I'm going to take one of the green color beads and just put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down like so. And now we are making a daisy again. So I'm going to take the other pink color, take one bead, put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, drag it down, take 2 beads on one side, 2 on the other side of the fishing line, take 1 golden bead, put both ends of the fishing line through, drag it down, fold them over, put one end of the fishing line through one side 2 beads and the other end through the other side 2 beads. Pull the ends and take one more bead and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down. And here is another daisy done. And now I take another one of the green beads, just put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead and drag it down. And this is how I keep going until I reach just before the size of the bracelet I want it to be, or a necklace, or even a ring if you want to. So I'm going to bead the whole thing and then show you how to do the wave. See you in a minute. Okay, so I just finished beading the bracelet. I got to about 15 centimeters and I usually make my bracelets to 16. This is how it looks. And now I have this third end of the fishing line and I'm gonna put about 9 the green beads on. Like this. And now I'm going to take the bracelet and just pull the fishing line through the first green bead. And just pull it. Like so. And now I take another 9 beads. Like so, and then it goes from the other side and I just put it through the next green bead. Like so. And I just keep going like that until I reach the end of the bracelet. Also, you can put different amount of beads for the wave, so the more you put, the bigger the wave is going to be. The less you put, the smaller it will be, but bear in mind that you still need to cover the daisy, so you can't just put like 2 beads, for example. And then I go through the green bead here. And this is it. As I said, you just do that through the whole bracelet, and when you get to the end, I will show you what to do next. Okay, so I have just gone through the last green bead here. I'm gonna put 9 more beads on the same fishing line. Like so. And what we need to do now is just put the cream pen on. So I'm just holding all of the 3 fishing lines together. And now I'm gonna take the cream pen, and we will need 1 jump ring as well. So I'm gonna put the cream pen on, put all the fishing line ends in the cream pen like so, and just fold the sides down, but I'm not like squeezing them really hard yet. Like I have left like a little bit there. And now I'm just gonna pull the fishing lines so it all sort of like comes together, so there are no gaps left. And now once I have done that, I can squeeze the sides down. Like so. And now I cut the loose ends off. And I put the jump ring on. And this is it. This is the bracelet done. Very pretty. Very interesting. This is how it looks on the wrist. Very interesting, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's really pretty. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos every week, and yeah, it would be nice if you stayed around. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.